Welcome back to Autoscope, the exterior of the 2026 Subaru Motorhome. Robust yet aerodynamic design, despite its motorhome shape, the exterior will showcase Subaru's practical and tough design, with slight curves to improve aerodynamics. Compact midsize, enough space within, but not so large as to be challenging to move. Large panoramic windows, to optimize views of the outside. Large windows will be positioned thoughtfully throughout the kitchen and living areas. Pop-top roof optional. An easy-to-use pop-top roof option may be available for additional headroom and ventilation when parking. Adaptive LED headlights. These headlights will offer better nighttime illumination and built-in LED fog lights for bad weather. The interior Subaru Starlink infotainment system features a large touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and integrated navigation. Driver and passenger swivel seats. When parked, the front seats may be turned 180 degrees to create a part of the living space. A 360-degree camera facilitates parking and navigating confined locations. A long bench that can be quickly transformed into two single beds or queen-size bed. Beneath the bench is concealed storage. Modular storage, cleverly designed drawers and tiny cupboards for food and kitchenware. Compact sink with fold-up faucet. Efficient compressor refrigerator. Portable induction cooktop. Lithium-ion batteries with a large capacity to store enough energy for usage by internal equipment. Flexible rooftop solar panel increases independence by charging the battery while parked. A power inverter transforms battery-derived DC power into AC power for home appliances. Shore power connection, used to run devices and recharge batteries when connected to external power. And space outside the car can be shaded by the integrated side awning, which pulls out. The external folding table and chairs are easy to remove and neatly store inside the compartment. Spare tire pressure is included in the Advanced Tire Pressure Monitoring System (TPMS). Off-road safety. Gear includes towing hooks and perhaps a small winch.